In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Regenerate feature in Descript to fix audio. Let's dive right in. From the Descript home screen on the left-hand side, I'll navigate over to my recent projects and open up the one labeled Sample. This brings us directly into our main project workspace where our transcribe script is already laid out. Often during editing, you might realize you misspoke or need to quickly adjust a sentence, but setting up your microphone to re-record is a hassle. That's where the Regenerate tool comes in incredibly handy. I'll start by highlighting the specific section of the script I want to change. Once it's selected, a small toolbar appears right above the text. I'll click the Regenerate option. This opens a prompt window where I can type the exact new phrase I want the AI to generate. For this first one, and then hit the Regenerate button. Descript is now working in the background to synthesize the new audio, making sure it perfectly matches the original voice, pacing, and room tone. Because it's generating high-quality cloned audio, it takes just a few moments to fully process and replace the clip. It's an incredibly seamless way to polish your recordings. Lastly, you might want to track how many of your account credits this feature uses. I'll open up the Settings menu, navigate down to the Usage tab, and check out the Lifetime AI Credits Used section. Here, you can review a detailed log of our recent Regenerate actions and see exactly how your credits are being applied, and that's it. That's how you use the Regenerate feature in Descript to fix audio.